Hello everyone, I am Monica from IELTS 9. So here we will discuss this map layout that was writing task 1 that was part of 3rd February 2024 IELTS exam in India. So here you can see there are two maps given, and whenever you are getting writing task 1 kind of question, please look at the questions, what type of diagram they have given. Here you can see there are two maps. Okay, one map is about, they are saying school in 1985, and another is saying school now. Okay, so it means this is past and this is present. So here what other things you can see this. So I am doing my first step, means we are doing writing task 1 planning. So in this video we are going to discuss, we are going to analyze the map, tense, which tense we have to use, directions, directional words, some changes also. We will discuss, means I am doing everything. This comes under planning. Okay, and vocabulary also we will discuss. And the question statement says the maps illustrate the different layout of school in 1985 and now. Okay, now first step we were doing it, we were just analyzing the table, map, we were just reading the table. Here I can see school in 1985, school now, means present, and there were 1500 students, and there are 2300 students. Now I can see car park, major thing. Okay, so I can see the shape also, change of shape from rectangle to semicircle. Okay, office is also there, office, same office. Car park is there, classroom, here classrooms, but here classrooms, 2-story building was there, now they have converted into 3-story, and they have removed this part, and instead of library they have made this learning resources center, and computer room is also there, and there was playing fields, big playground, you can see this, but they have reduced it, the size of this playground fields into, they have just developed pool, fitness center, means some gymnasium kind of thing they have developed into the school, including pool. Okay, so this is all including in I think this comes under one complex. See, this outline is also there, it means this may be indoor swimming pool, and here classrooms from here to here they have shifted, and I can see some trees also. So instead of some road, here I can see some trees also they have planted to add the beauty of this complex. And what about this? Entrance and exit gates are same, you can see this. Now we have just noticed the changes, the things were in past and now after getting the map kind of activity, whether it is in IELTS listening or in writing task 1, you always look at the direction. So the above one is north and the opposite is south, this is west and this is east, and here this is east, and this is, according to this map, this is west, according to this map this is east. Okay, so towards north what are the things, like exit and entrance gates are there, car park is also there, office is also there, and towards west you can see these things, this car park. So there are two car parks, see this, and in the new one only one car park is there. So towards western side you can use this office and library, and towards north these two gates and car park. Okay, and towards eastern side classroom, building, school building is there, and towards south the whole area is covered with playing fields. Okay, so here you can just, while writing task 1, you need to use these directional words, otherwise it will be incomplete and less bands will be there. So analyzing, we have done analyze also, and tense. Now when you will be writing about this first map, this is 1985, it means past, and when you will be writing about this map, this will be in present tense. Present tense means simple present tense also you will be using, and present perfect tense also there will be more usage, simple present tense as well as perfect continuous tense, perfect continuous tense you have to use. And here simple past tense and simple past tense as well as past perfect tense you will be using it. Okay, so directional words I have told you, but yes, vocabulary we will just, and changes also we have noticed, so we have done our homework. Great changes, you can just write it if you want, otherwise you can just look at the map only and just notice this has changed and this has changed, this has changed. So you can just mind map, you can just mind your map, you can just see what changes they have done it. Okay, now vocabulary I will show it to you. Now see this vocabulary for map: transformation, conversion or converted or all direction names, north, south, east, west, and of course this side north, south, west, east, and this side is northwest, this side is northeast, this side is southwest, this side is southeast direction. Okay, and of course you have to use these words in your IELTS writing task 1 map activity. Changes, developed, facilities, amenities, conversion of, expansion of, untouched or unchanged means whatever it has not changed, you can just write untouched or unchanged. Alterations, built, constructed, reconstructed, extension, extended, modernize, renovate, replace, relocate, narrow down. Use these vocabulary words. Please make notes of your writing task 1. And of course rules 150 minimum words you should write it. Okay, 20 minutes, not more than 20 minutes. Okay, 20 minutes you should just take care of your 20 minutes, and like paragraphs, 4 paragraphs should be there. Okay, 3 also you can make it, and 4 paragraphs means first will be introduction, second overall paragraph. Okay, you can just write this overall paragraph at the end also, but nowadays just people are writing it here in the second part. And third, body detail 1 and body detail 2 paragraph, means detailing of the activity you have to write it in third and fourth paragraph. Okay, now see this question statement: the maps illustrate the different layout of school in 1985 and now. Okay, the given 2 maps depict a school transformation since 1985 and modern view. Okay, modern view in present also you can just write it. And this is overall paragraph. So overall paragraph you need to tell what major changes they had done it. Okay, so you can combine this introduction and overall paragraph into one, there is no issue. Overall it can be clearly seen that, so this is the partition of paragraphs, green line, and the blue line means you have to use these words in your map activities also. That's more important. So ready-made things are there, learn it, it will be useful in scoring high bands. Overall it can be clearly seen that the school has experienced a significant alterations and renovation. This is and to accommodate or experienced a significant transformation. I had already used, that's why I am using it this different word. Significant alterations and renovations to accommodate the increased number of students. Sorry, this is not P, this is B. By adding, this is not full stop, by it is by mistake. Okay, by adding more classrooms and some eminent features like swimming pool and fitness center. And in fact you can just write here library, computer rooms in library also you can just write computer, because that is also a different thing they have created. Computer rooms in the library area. Okay, now coming to first map. Hey, before starting writing into the detailing paragraph, please like and subscribe my channel. I will be too grateful for you. Okay, so let's write this first one. How you will start? Analyzing the old map of school in 1985, the school had an enrollment. So I had started with students, had an enrollment of 1500 students. Okay, to the west side. Now I am starting from the west side. Okay, to the west side, of the campus, school campus, there were facilities such as classrooms, small parking lots. See this west side, or this is central, but these all things will come under west side. Okay, a small parking lot, a library, this is library, and an office. Whilst on the opposite side, means this opposite is east. Okay, whilst on where it is that, whilst on the opposite side, which is east side, had a block of classrooms of 2-story. Okay, 2-story classrooms building, you can just write it. Had a block of classrooms of 2 stories. However, the large playing fields, this could be seen. So could be is also in past tense. Now we are not requesting, so this is past tense. Could be seen towards the south, where learners used to play during their sports period. Okay, learners means students. At the north side, this is north side, there were 2 gates, entrance and exit gates, direct reaching to the car park. Okay, now next paragraph. Now in this paragraph you need to compare the things with past also. On the contrary, the second map, which is displaying the present design of the school, okay, the student population has risen dramatically to 2300. See this, from 1500, while the office size remains unchanged. Okay, the library has been filled with modern connectivity, with computer room, only one room is there, and named learning resources center, whatever it is given, the name or spelling. So I will be just writing, I will not ignore anything whatever they have described over here. With reduced built up area, they have reduced the built up area also, because earlier there was a large size of library. Okay, now they have reduced this library size. Okay, now new floor in school building. So 3 stories are there. Now new floor in school building can be seen, and now having 3 stories for students classroom. Moreover, in the south direction, now we will talk about south direction. See this, south direction, a newly gymnasium with an indoor swimming pool, with less size of playing fields, Another important change can be witnessed towards the north. Okay, so shape of car parking they have changed. In the shape of car park, which was rectangular in shape and now reshaped into semicircle. Finally, a group of trees has been planted, which is adding beauty. So now you can complete the sentence, beauty in the school campus, to the school campus, not in the, to the school campus. And another thing, if something is left, now they have shifted this classroom also to after the library, behind the library, you can use this word also. Okay, so in this way you can write your map activity.